DataCamp Skill Certification Platform Review, Usage Experience. Links to the platform and products mentioned are available in the description below. DataCamp's Skill Certification Platform is a comprehensive learning tool designed for individuals looking to build or enhance their skills in data science, analytics, and programming. With courses ranging from beginner to advanced levels, DataCamp provides hands-on learning in languages like Python, R, SQL, and more, with a focus on practical, real-world applications. The platform is designed for anyone from beginners to professionals looking to level up their skills. Features include interactive exercises, video tutorials, and quizzes that help reinforce what you've learned. DataCamp's unique approach to learning is its Learn by Doing methodology, where learners work on coding challenges and projects as part of the course. This practical application ensures that users develop a strong understanding of concepts in a short amount of time. One of the standout features of DataCamp's certification platform is its focus on skill-based learning. Upon completion of courses, you receive a certificate of completion, which can be added to your resume or LinkedIn profile, demonstrating your expertise in a specific skill. The platform also provides personalized learning paths, so users can focus on mastering skills relevant to their career goals, such as data analysis, machine learning, or data visualization. Customer feedback highlights DataCamp's clear, structured lessons and its flexibility, as courses can be accessed on demand. However, some users have mentioned that the platform may not go as in-depth as formal education. Still, for those looking for a cost-effective, efficient way to enhance their data skills, DataCamp offers great value. If you've used DataCamp or are considering it, drop your thoughts in the comments below. Make sure to check the description for more details on how to get started.